this video we're going to graph our circle. And so as you take a look at this, this is our one equation, which is not a y equals. That's how you kind of know it's a circle. Plus you see you have a group squared here, and another group squared there. And so you want to find your HK, your locator point, which in this scenario is at the point -7, +4. So that's one thing that a lot of students miss, is that unlike any of the other parent graph problems, not only do the opposite of what you see with the x, but you also have to do the opposite of what you see with the y, because as you can see in your equation, you have y minus k squared here. So that's part of it, and then you also have to find your radius. Now your equation is set equal to r squared, so you see that this number is a 9, so thus our radius has to equal 3, because 3 squared is equal to 9. There is no stretch factor because you're talking about a circle. So we try to graph it, which means you have to select your circle option down here, and you start at your center, so that'd be at -7, +4. You put your first center dot there. You can count in any direction, up, down, left, or right, to go 3 units, because 3 squared is equal to 9, and that would be your circle.